Hey guys, it's Rose from Rewritten Vintage Journals, take 2. I went live and tried to upload the video, but the HD didn't work. I'm not sure why. I'm not that tech savvy. Ha ha ha. I just lost 25 minutes of my life. Anyway, happy Friday and happy apple blossom to those in the Valley and Nova Scotia. I just want to share with you my newest journal. You probably could have been watching it by now, but anyway, we have to upload it again. So those of you who know me know that I love pink and creams together, and I found this altered book, or this book, and so I altered it, and there's beautiful flecks in this cream, and I just didn't want to cover it up. So this is what I came up with. This is the sari silk, and then I have a fabric flag and some beads hanging off it there, and it measures what, 6 by, I'm pretty sure it's 9 with a 2-inch spine, 4 signatures. I haven't counted the pages yet because I haven't had time. And this was so pretty, I didn't want to put a bunch of whole stuff on it to make it busy. You could leave it blank. When you have the tied sari silk, it leaves the cute little bow there. So here is the spine. I'm really excited about the spine. I kind of did some collaging, and I know you're getting some shadows. It's late here, and I need some light, and we have very poor lighting. So there's some yarn, there's some different sari silk, beads, there's hand stitching here, some buttons, some lace, some more sari silk, this fabric flower, and some more buttons and some beads there. So I really, really, really loved how that turned out. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I love Stephanie's My Porch Prints kits. And so this is, I made the folio from the Summer Bee kit, and this one is, I had done them both together, but I put this one on hold because I was doing the Mother's Day one. So I went back to this one and I finished it off, and here we go. I was debating whether or not to put some pockets here, but I really loved how this cranberry color tied in with this pink, and so I think I'm gonna leave it because there's so many other pockets inside the journal. So I'm going to try not to talk in this one. The other video was like 22 minutes long, and that's too long. So this trim here has some sparkles in it, and a lot of the tags have the glossy accents in it. So you'll see them in the flowers or the bee's wings. This is antique pages, a page from an antique music book. Avocado dyed paper. Coffee dyed paper. Embossing. Beautiful graphics, of course, from My Porch Prints. Beautiful laces. Lots of journaling spots, lots of spots for pictures. Lots of pockets. Lots of vellum pockets. I did use Distress ink, or oxide I should say, in the gray smoky something or other. There's that glossy accent, if you can see it. There's the glossy accents on the roses. vellum pockets here. Lots of journaling cards. And I tried to make this stuff so it can move around the journal, so the person who gets the journal can, you know, move the journal cards around, use the paper clips and design it or personalize it to their own. This is a vellum pocket with some fussy cuts in there and some word quotes. This is a vintage envelope. Scrappy pad there, and in there is a beautiful, beautiful tag. Four signatures. Big stitch pocket here. Another big stitch pocket there. There's a tuck there. Glossy accents on the wings, so pretty. And you can add a picture there or use it to write on. Honey bee. Another beautiful tag with the glossy accents on the roses and beautiful tassel. Vellum envelope. There's a lot of tags and cards in this one, but they're so pretty. I'm pretty sure this has become one of my favorite kits. Well, it is my favorite kit to work with. It's just because it's so pretty. The graphics are just gorgeous. And this bee has glossy accents on it to make it stand out. Got some extra journaling paper there. And collaged. Another big sewn pocket there. paper clips with the seed beads. Little secret spot right there. A little bee poking its head out there. And this here has to be my favorite card, journaling card. So the glossy accents on the flowers up here and here. And then I used frosted crystal. No, sorry, it's raw candy. And it's sparkly, and there's some up there on the wings. It's my favorite. I hope you guys can see the sparkle. You might not be able to, but it's so pretty. I hope you guys can see it. Sorry, silk. And then here's another vintage envelope. So this folds down. And I actually glued this on upside down, but that's okay. Now that that's funny. Anyway, it's all good. Beautiful. Yeah, that should have been turned the other way. And then there's a pocket in there, and then another pocket in behind that. Lace pocket with some sari silk and some fabric and some beads. And here's another big sewn pocket here. And then in here's another big pocket. And that's it. And so I really love how all this stuff comes out the top. So there you have it. I hope it is some inspiration for somebody. And I hope you love it as much as I do. I just love the pinks and the creams. And I love that kit, Summer Bees, from My Porch Prints. And I thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good weekend, and to the Annapolis Valley, happy apple blossom, and take care, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.